sit quite high, doesn't it?
Yeah,
You have to put those down a bit.
I have to put them down a bit, which is why I haven't trimmed the buggers off. How's that?
That's better.
That's sitting just right now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just the right level of dandle on
Just
it.
kissing, yeah.
Now then, the question is, how much? Let's see what a centimetre.
Do you want to mark them with something?
Well, I've already got marks on there, so I can eyeball the rest of it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it. That kind of. Get that kind of setting.
Do you want to hold on to it while you power up?
No, I'm going to.
Let's go for it, is it?
We'll just see how it goes now. Unfortunately, I still haven't sorted that brake issue out. Dips its tail a bit, doesn't it? Well, it's not impeccable water handling, but it's not bad.
That's very good, actually.
Well, considering I never really designed it for, you know, the hull isn't deep enough really for that ideal setup, but I think it'll float through it really well. Try to take that.
You get a better picture from where we were before, because
Okay.
we're taking it into the sun here.